Hi. Hi everyone. Welcome to Shikara Academy. So today we're going to discuss about Western Ghats, which are very loft mountains, starting from Namada, southern Tapi River. Here we have Namada, Tapi River. So from Tapi River to Trivandrum here. There are so many big mountains here which you need to understand. So in these regions we have almost like 1600 kilometers of mountains that have been spread rapidly right from southern Tapi region. And not just that, we have so many mountains, these Sahyadri mountains, which are very famous, because it is stopping the monsoon. As it is stopping the monsoon, it is having very good rainfall in the western part of this region, which is like great rainfall, very great rainfall. So there are so many peaks here, there are so many mountain ranges here, and there are so many rivers that have been originated in the Western Ghats. Everything will be dealing about in this no, series of right here. And here you need to understand here there are so many mountains. So in Western Ghats, we will understand the various Ajanta mountains, Balaghat mountains, Harishchandra ranges, and everything. Here you can see. At here in this portion, we have Ajanta ranges. Ajanta ranges. Here in these portions, we call it as Balaghat ranges. Balaghat ranges. Here in these portions, you call it as Harishchandra ranges. Harishchandra ranges. And in this portion, we call it as Mahadev ranges. Mahadev ranges. So Western Ghats are not just one mountains, there are so many mountains. And particularly in these regions where magma is spread from this particular area, it is like Deccan. Deccan is not to the north of Goa, we call it as Deccan, which is like basalt rock. But if you come to this region, which is a granite rock, granite. So here we have Satmala Hills. To the south of Ajanta, we have Satmala ranges. We have this so many peaks that have been originated in the Satmala ranges. We have Godavari river that is coming into this range. We have Tapi river that is coming into this particular north region. Along with that, there are so many mountain peaks that you should understand. Uh, if you come further down, these particular ranges are called stepped mountains. Stepped mountains. In Swedish, step means trap. So we call it as Deccan Step Mountains are called as Deccan Trap Mountains because magma, this felsic magma have been spread and spread and spread. They formed like a step and step by step, step by step. So that's the reason we call it as this a Deccan Trap. That is very important. Along with this Deccan Trap, you should understand there are so many, as I said, Harishchandra range, Ajanta range, Harishchandra range, all these ranges. We have various gaps here. You can see Palakkad gap, you can see Shangutti gap, you can see this Borghat gap, you can see this Nasik gap. These gaps, they allowed monsoon to enter into India and have a good amount of vegetation in the central Madhya Pradesh, in the northern Maharashtra, or in Tamil Nadu region. So these gaps are very important. Here we have Nilagiri hills where this, we have great biosphere reserves in the Nilagiri hills also. Right? So this is one portion. And you need to understand, as I said, when India was about 250 million years ago in the south, it is moving forward. Right? Imagine there is a water spray and you are going in a car. Your water spray will be keep on touching your car as your car moves, right? As that is what you call say cleaning, your automatic cleaning for the car. So similarly, there is this reunion hotspot which has been spreading magma, and India is moving towards that particular reunion island. So because of which we have complete magma formation in the northern part of Western Ghats. So Western Ghats were formed much beyond Deccan Plateau. So Western Ghats were formed on Western Ghats. We have this Deccan Plateau formation. On Deccan Plateau formation, we have this rock called as basalt rock. Okay. Now, if you come down here, there is no Deccan Plateau formation. It is still called a granite rock. So this is what we generally come into picture. And this is what I'm talking about to the east of Madagascar. See, Madagascar and our particular Western Ghats are like brother and sister, like two sisters. So they have been broken down, you take a bun and break it, you take a biscuit and break it, like that it has been broke. The part which is like leftover is called as Sahyadri mountains, right? From a person who is standing here, it looks like a mountain, but in fact it is not a mountain, right? This is how things are happening. And at Shikara Academy, we have mains answer writing foundation course, bootcamp course. This is very important. We have live classes. This is not test series, but we have mains course. How to write test series is also what we will be teaching. And our institute has been started in 2015, and we got a state award formation day, Telangana State Formation Day award in 2018. We have trained more than 1,000 plus aspirants who were successful. 1,000 aspirants were successful aspirants, okay, were converted into, officers. So on 23rd June 2025, we have a course that has been starting about mains answer writing, which include test series, a limited amount of test series, but it is a course how to write answers. So it is a 30 hours of session, 30 power packed live sessions will be there, and 20 personalized feedback sessions will be there. We have intro, body, and conclusion. Notes and handouts will be provided to you, and keywords will be provided to you, how to write, and cycle, flowcharts, maps will be given. Ethics case studies will be there, which is like 1500 rupees now converted to 714. But if you are in the first 50 lucky, you'll get for just 499 rupees. And starting from the phase 1 from 23rd to 27th, we have like phase 1 where you'll be learning about all basics of answer writing. From 30th June to the 15th July, we have like phase 2, like course plan. This is the course plan, this phase 2, where you'll be having now subject and preparation, subject and answer writing. And we have like course 3, everything, all these 3 courses in the same thing, okay. So this is like 23rd July to 2nd August, all these things will be available for you, right? So we have our previous batch students who have cleared UPSC and different state services. We have all India rank 8, 34, 41, 57, 59, 96, 105, 114 and 121. These are all students. So hurry up, call to our number 7702026769. Right, this is what I'm talking about. The gap here, Palakkad gap is there. To the Palakkad gap, Nilagiri region, we have good amount of rainfall. We have that Palani ranges, we have good amount of rainfall. Because there is this gap here, we get rainfall in this Kaveri basin also. That is the reason Kaveri is called perennial rivers of the south. We have southwest monsoon that will be coming towards here because there is a gap in the Western Ghats, and similarly northwest monsoon also that will be coming here and giving huge amount of rainfall. Right, and this Shevaroy, Javadi Hills, these are like Eastern Ghats which are entering into Western Ghats, and Nilagiri is a place where we have Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats completely mixing up each other. And if you want full videos or full complete course of geography or any other subjects like history, geography, current affairs, economy, we have in our app Shikara Academy. You can download your app. So this is Nilagiri, this is Palakkad gap, and each and every gap, each and every part of Kodaikanal, we have Ooty here, we have Kodaikanal here, we have Anaimalai Hills, Cardamom Plateau, all this Senkoti gap is also very, very important because we have good amount of vegetation in the eastern part of Tamil Nadu, though it is a rain shadow region. Because of Senkoti gap, we have Agasamalai Hills. So all these hills, all these Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, everything is dealt in detail in our app. So please subscribe to our app. Thank you.